In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import products from different websites to Shopify store. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you manage everything related to your store, including your products, inventory, and product details. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Products. This section is where all of your current items are listed, and it is also where you can bring in new product information using a file import. After you open the Products page, go to the top right corner and click the Import button. Shopify gives you the option to upload product information using a CSV file, which is a simple spreadsheet format that helps organize data in rows and columns. This is especially useful when you want to add multiple products more efficiently instead of typing each one in by hand. Next, download the sample CSV template provided by Shopify. This template is important because it shows you the exact format Shopify expects. Using the template helps reduce errors during the import process and makes it easier to match your product information to the correct fields. Once the template has been downloaded, open it on your computer. You can use a spreadsheet program to view and edit the file. Now copy and paste your product data from the source website into the matching columns in the template. Make sure each piece of information goes into the correct place. For example, product titles should go in the title column, descriptions should go in the description field, prices should go in the price column, and image links should go in the image URL column. Take your time during this part, because clean and accurate formatting will make the import much smoother. It is a good idea to double-check for missing values, broken image links, or misplaced text before saving the file. Even small formatting issues can affect how products appear in your Shopify store. When everything looks correct, save the file in CSV format. This step is essential because Shopify will only import the file properly if it is saved as a CSV. Once your file is ready, you can return to Shopify and continue with the upload using that completed template. That covers everything you need to know.